Have you ever watched someone walk away from your life and thought it was over forever? Maybe he's with someone else now. Maybe he's posting happy pictures, acting like he's moved on, and making it seem like you've been forgotten. One of the biggest reasons someone may return after leaving is because people often fail to recognize the true value of what they have until it's no longer available to them. Human nature has a strange way of taking consistent love, loyalty, and support for granted. When someone is always there, offering encouragement, understanding, and genuine care, those qualities can begin to feel ordinary. What was once appreciated becomes expected. What was once special starts to seem normal. In many relationships, one person quietly contributes far more than the other realizes. They provide emotional stability during difficult times, celebrate victories, offer comfort during failures, and create a sense of peace that cannot be easily replaced. Yet these contributions are often overlooked because they become part of everyday life. The person receiving them may not fully understand their importance until they suddenly disappear. When someone leaves and enters a new situation, they often expect to find the same level of support and connection elsewhere. What they discover is that every individual is unique. The patience, understanding, kindness, and commitment that one person brought into their life cannot simply be duplicated by someone new. Over time, comparisons begin to happen naturally. Small memories return. Certain conversations are remembered. Familiar habits and moments that once seemed insignificant suddenly carry meaning. The absence of a good person creates a space that cannot be filled by distractions, temporary excitement, or new experiences. As time passes, reality becomes clearer. The things that were once ignored become the things that are missed the most. The consistency, reliability, and emotional connection that were taken for granted become impossible to overlook. People rarely understand the true worth of something while they are focused on what they think they are missing. It is often only after losing something valuable that they finally see how much it contributed to their happiness, growth, and sense of security. Many people leave a relationship believing that happiness exists somewhere else. They become convinced that a new person, a new experience, or a different situation will solve the dissatisfaction they feel inside. In the beginning, everything appears exciting. New conversations create curiosity. New attention feels flattering. The uncertainty creates a sense of adventure that can be mistaken for genuine compatibility. What many people fail to realize is that every relationship looks perfect from a distance. When two people first meet, they are usually showing the best versions of themselves. Flaws remain hidden. Challenges have not yet appeared. Responsibilities have not yet tested the connection. Because of this, it is easy to believe that a new relationship is automatically better than the previous one. As time passes, reality begins to replace fantasy. The excitement that once felt overwhelming slowly becomes normal. Differences start to emerge. Habits become visible. Expectations increase. The same challenges that exist in every relationship eventually appear. Communication issues, misunderstandings, and emotional needs cannot be avoided forever. At that point, a person begins to understand that changing partners does not automatically change life. There's difficulties. This is where reflection often begins. They start comparing the emotional connection they once had with what they are experiencing now. They remember moments of loyalty, understanding, and support that seemed ordinary at the time, but now appear far more valuable. They realize that what they left behind contained qualities that are difficult to find. The lesson becomes clear. Happiness is not found by constantly searching for someone new. Lasting fulfillment comes from appreciation, commitment, and emotional maturity. Many people discover this truth only after they have walked away from someone who genuinely cared about them. When expectations collide with reality, the illusion of something better often fades. What once seemed replaceable suddenly appears rare, And the person they left behind begins to occupy their thoughts in ways they never expected. One of the most powerful things that can happen after a breakup is personal growth. While many people spend months focusing on who left, what went wrong, or whether someone will return, the strongest individuals choose a different path. They decide to invest their energy into becoming better, stronger, and more fulfilled versions of themselves. Heartbreak has the ability to either break a person or transform them. The difference lies in how the pain is used. Some people allow disappointment to define them, while others use it as motivation. They develop new skills, pursue long-forgotten goals, improve their health, and strengthen their confidence, and create a life that is no longer dependent on another person's presence. Growth creates a powerful shift in perspective. Instead of seeking validation from someone who walked away, a person begins finding validation within themselves. They learn that their worth was never determined by a relationship. Their value existed long before the relationship began and continues long after it ends. This realization creates a level of confidence that cannot be faked. As time passes, the changes become visible. The person who was once heartbroken becomes more focused. The individual who once doubted themselves becomes more secure. The one who felt lost develops a clear sense of purpose. Friends, family members, and even former partners begin to notice the transformation. People are naturally drawn to confidence, purpose, and emotional strength. When someone sees that the person they left behind is thriving, succeeding, and moving forward, it often creates a sense of curiosity and admiration. They expected sadness, dependence, or regret. Instead, they witness growth and resilience. Nothing is more memorable than someone who turns pain into progress. Success has a way of changing how others see you, but more importantly, it changes how you see yourself. The stronger, wiser, and more confident you become, the harder it is for anyone to forget the impact you once had on their life. Personal growth does more than attract attention. It restores self-respect, builds inner strength, and creates opportunities that would never have existed if you had remained stuck in the past. The greatest transformation often begins the moment you stop chasing someone else and start investing in yourself. Real connections are far more difficult to replace than most people realize. Physical attraction can happen quickly, and excitement can be created through new experiences, but genuine emotional connection is something that develops over time. It is built through trust, shared memories, mutual understanding, and countless moments that gradually bring two people closer together. When two people truly connect, they learn things about each other that few others ever see. They understand each other's fears, dreams, strengths, weaknesses, and struggles. They become familiar with the small details that make a person unique. These experiences create a bond that goes much deeper than simple attraction or temporary feelings. Many people assume they can easily recreate this type of connection with someone new. They believe that finding another relationship automatically means finding the same level of comfort, understanding, and emotional security. What they often discover is that meaningful connections cannot be replaced as easily as they imagined. A person may meet someone attractive, interesting, or exciting, but still find themselves thinking about the relationship they left behind. Certain conversations are remembered. Specific moments replay in their mind. They begin to miss the feeling of being understood without having to explain themselves. They miss the emotional safety that took years to build and seconds to lose. Time has a way of revealing the difference between temporary excitement and genuine connection. The thrill of something new eventually fades, but the memory of someone who truly cared can remain for years. Emotional bonds leave lasting impressions because they become part of a person's life story. They shape experiences, influence decisions, and create memories that are difficult to erase. As life moves forward, many people come to realize that finding someone who genuinely understands them is rare. Trust cannot be rushed. Loyalty cannot be manufactured. Deep emotional connection cannot be copied. These things require time, patience, and shared experiences. When someone recognizes that the connection they once had was authentic and meaningful, they often begin to appreciate its value in a way they never did before. What once felt ordinary suddenly becomes something they realize was incredibly special. And that realization can stay with them long after the relationship has ended. Distance has a powerful way of revealing truths that are often hidden when two people are when someone is always available, always present, and always willing to offer their time, attention, and support, it becomes easy for others to overlook their value. Familiarity can sometimes create comfort, but it can also create blindness. People stop noticing the positive impact someone has because they assume that person will always be there. When a relationship ends, that constant presence suddenly disappears. The messages stop arriving. The conversations become silent. The emotional support that was once available is no longer there. What seemed ordinary before now becomes noticeable through its absence. The routines that once felt predictable become memories. The comfort that was taken for granted becomes something deeply missed. Without the distractions of the relationship, a person is left alone with their thoughts. They no longer have immediate access to the attention, understanding, or companionship they once enjoyed. This creates space for reflection. In that silence, many begin to see things more clearly than they ever did while the relationship was active. Memories often return unexpectedly. They remember the kindness that was shown during difficult moments. They think about the loyalty they received when life was challenging. They begin to recognize the sacrifices that were made for them and the effort that was invested in the relationship. Things they once ignored now seem important. Things they once criticized may suddenly appear insignificant compared to the qualities they lost. Distance removes emotional noise and allows reality to speak louder. It exposes what truly mattered and what did not. The qualities that create lasting relationships, trust, support, respect, and genuine care, become easier to appreciate when they are no longer available. Many people spend so much time focusing on what they think they want that they fail to appreciate what they already have. Only after experiencing life without it do they fully understand its importance. The absence of a valuable person creates a contrast that cannot be ignored. What once seemed replaceable begins to feel rare, and what was once underestimated starts to look far more valuable than they ever imagined. Clarity often arrives after distance has done its work, revealing lessons that could not be seen while emotions, distractions, and assumptions were standing in the way. The most powerful response to heartbreak is not revenge, anger, or proving someone wrong. It is building a life so meaningful, fulfilling, and successful that your happiness no longer depends on whether anyone stays or leaves. Too many people spend months waiting for an apology, hoping for closure, or dreaming about the day someone finally realizes what they lost. In the process, they give away precious time and energy that could have been invested in their own growth. True strength begins when you stop making another person's choices the center of your life. The moment you shift your focus back to yourself, everything starts to change. Instead of constantly checking for signs that someone might return, you begin creating goals that inspire you. Instead of replaying old conversations in your mind, you start building new experiences. Instead of measuring your value by someone else's attention, you discover confidence that comes from within. Personal success has a way of transforming every area of life. As you improve your mindset, pursue your ambitions, strengthen your discipline, and develop self-respect, you become a different person. The pain that once felt unbearable becomes a source of wisdom. The rejection that once hurt deeply becomes motivation. Every challenge becomes part of the foundation for a stronger future. People are naturally attracted to those who possess confidence, purpose, and emotional independence. When someone sees that you are thriving without them, it often forces them to reconsider the assumptions they once made. They expected you to remain stuck. They expected you to keep looking backward. Instead, they see someone moving forward with determination and strength. The irony is that many people become interested again only after they realize they are no longer needed. When they see that your happiness does not depend on their presence, your value suddenly appears greater in their eyes. What they once overlooked now stands out. The greatest victory is not making someone regret leaving. The greatest victory is reaching a point where their decision no longer controls your debts. It is waking up each day focused on your purpose, your dreams, and your future. It is becoming so secure in your own worth that whether someone returns or not no longer determines your peace. A better life is the ultimate answer to disappointment. It creates confidence, freedom, and fulfillment that no relationship alone can provide. When you become the best version of yourself, you gain something far more valuable than someone's return. You gain yourself.